Hello friends, you're welcome to my new video in my YouTube channel Madz Academy. In this video, I'm going to tell you about 3 main websites which you can download sound effects freely.
The first website I'm going to use here is freesfx.co.uk.
www.freesfx.co.uk. In this website, you can download many sound effects which you can use for any video editing or sound editing or like that. I will show how to download sound effects from this website. This is the first interface when you enter the website freesfx. These are sound effects of animals or insects. I here select aquatic, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sound effects which you can download. Here this is a sound effect of dolphin fish. Okay, let's play it. Yeah, it's very nice. It's very nice and it's a free sound effect which you can download here. It's the sound of sea lion bark. Let's say you want to download this one. Before you download MP3s, you have to log into your account here. For that, first you have to join. Okay, I created the account here. Now it's allowable to download. I downloaded it. You can hear it. That nice sound. I downloaded it freely. Like that, you can download any sound effect from this freesfx.co.uk website. And my next website is freesound.org website. Here also there are many sounds you can select and download. Here select this one. It's a clapping sound. It's a clapping sound effect. And here also you have to log to download these sound effects. So I created the account here. Okay, before download it, you have to activate the account. We have the activation code from freesounds.org. Now we can download sound effects. You have to click download button to download it. Yes, start download and download finished. That's a nice sound. Okay, my next website is opengameart.org. www.opengameart.org. Here it contains not only sound effects, many images, PNG files and other arts are here, and with these arts you can select this type of sound effects. If you want to download this, you have to click the topic here and you can download it. 28 megabyte sound file, and this one is also 27.2 megabytes, and that you can download. It started to download just in one click. And if you select this one, it contains many image files. Let's save those files as PNG files. And save here. These are the 3 websites I selected today. First one is freesfx.co.uk website, and this next one is freesound.org, and the third one is opengameart.org. By using these 3 websites, you can download many sound effects which you want for your video editing or sound editing or any purposes which you want. And the most important part is all these websites are supplying these sound effects and other images freely, so you can download them freely. I think today's video is also important to you, and I request you to subscribe my channel and keep in touch with me to see all the videos in the future, and click the bell icon to see all the notifications from my YouTube channel. Thank you.